Hey, what's up, it's me here. Today we're gonna take a quick look at the Poco M3 Pro. To be honest, I have no idea what is Poco M3 Pro, what is Poco F3, or maybe Poco X3. I have no idea. They just, you see, even me barks about it. And yeah, again, special thanks to my friend Simi here for lending me this phone. So without further ado, let's get it unboxed. So there's the packaging. The yellow one, as always, Poco M3 Pro. As always, you can see there with easy access to the Google apps you use most. Obviously, Xiaomi is having a hard time with Huawei, and the one we got is 6 gigs of RAM plus 128 gigs of ROM. Yeah, let's just open it. The first layer, a pen, some paperwork, and a phone case. And now is the phone. Under that is the USB-C cable and the charger, 22.5 watt max. Okay, let's just put it aside and move into the phone. So the film sticker, let me read some of the highlights you guys like most. So MediaTek Dimensity 700 with the dual 5G, 7nm high performance processor, 9Hz 6.5-inch Full HD Plus dot display, 5000 mAh battery, and 48 megapixel AI triple camera. And that's all the highlights. Ooh. The back is, I guess should be glass, and it seems like very easy to, you got the smudges, but yeah, feels very smooth. So let's just check the UI design. On top, we still have the 3.5mm headphone jack and speaker, a mic, and air blaster. This is the SIM card slot. So dual SIM card or one SIM card plus the SD card. So it's expandable. Yeah, obviously this phone is a budget phone, so you can see on the SIM card tray, it doesn't have any, that kind of waterproofing rubber. Okay, just move down, move to the bottom. We see the mic, noise cancelling mic, Type-C port, and the speaker. Here is the power key, also the fingerprint scanner, and the volume rocker. And this is the back. For the camera specs, we just list on the screen. Alright, so that's basically what the phone has worked out. It feels actually not very lightweight. Let's just check how much is the weight. It's 192.8 grams, definitely not very lightweight, but it feels okay, So yeah, as you know, this is a really budget phone. So it's like for, let me check the price, for 4 plus 64 gigs is $159 US, and for 6 plus 128 gigs is $179. So let's just check what's inside, what specs. Here on the wall specs, you can already see so many specs. Just 6 gigs RAM and CPU, and that's all. That's basically what it has got. I'd like to check about the Antutu benchmark that you guys may care most. So it's 317K. Definitely not very bad. Okay, just watch some videos. It takes a lot of effort, because people there are always staring at you like you're an alien. LOL. Without further ado, let's get started. So alright, another highlight for this Poco M3 Pro is it features a 9Hz 6.5-inch Full HD Plus. So it has this kind of dynamic refresh rate switching, just smooth like Umi. Yeah, it's really smooth. Just watch some random videos. Okay. Wow, very smooth. Let's just check Simi's. Let's check Nami Woos. Yeah, Nami.
It has has a direct drive extruder instead of the usual Bowden. A lot of people ask for this. There is one other direct drive printer in the Creality lineup, and the
So one last thing, I want to try the fingerprint scanner just to see the speed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Okay, seems fine, but yeah, it takes multiple times to record your fingerprints. So done. So okay, now let's just okay, you have to not like touch. Okay, wow. So just touch here, you don't need to press down. It's really fast, see? See? Wow, lightning fast. Okay. Yeah, really fast.
Bom, gente, essa aqui é a imagem da câmera selfie. Vocês podem ver que eu estou aqui na sombra, né? De frente para o sol. Eu vou ali mais para o sol ali para vocês verem a diferença, ó, mas eu quero apontar primeiro aqui para as nuvens. Gente, olha só que bonitinho que eu encontrei. Um carrinho que limpa aqui sozinho, ó. E ele é todo estilosinho e eficiente, ó, porque ele vai indo embora, ó. E vamos aqui na frente para ver se ele para, ó.
So right, that's a recent unboxing and hands of the Poco M3 Pro. To be honest, I didn't quite expect it so budget friendly. It's like for 6 gigs plus 128 gigs, it costs you only $179 US. That's incredible. It's like, wow. If you are interested in those, of course, you can check out the link in the description. Yeah, with that kind of money, you get what? You get a very decent design. To be honest, it feels not that cheap. You see the back. Semi told me it's plastic, but feels like a glass. Feels like the glass, and yes, really well made. And also, you get a good camera. You see some photo samples before. It's sharp and has good white balance, and you know, everything is good. And also good sound. It's full-bodied. I really like it. And also, you get a 3.5mm headphone jack. It's not very common for phones nowadays. And yeah, the fingerprint scanner unlocking speed is really okay. If you want to, come on. If you, okay. That's the one. All right. So yeah, the fingerprint scan unlock is lightning fast. You just touch it and it locks. Okay. And the performance is the Android benchmark is around 300K. That's definitely not bad. Not very bad. It's like on the mid-range phone. And if you want to play the PUBG game, as I showed you before, the PUBG game has partnered with Xiaomi to deliver you the best game performance. So yeah, will be not bad. And if you are interested in previous Poco phones, you can check the link from here. I guess that's the video. And a special thanks to my friend Semi for lending me this phone. Please definitely check out her channel and subscribe. I'm Semi. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.